Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to 12 Ward Street. This home is one of the most unique homes you'll find on the south side. A double-storey brick home with heaps of space for the whole family, and it's ultra low maintenance. Let's take a quick tour. This home is truly of epic proportions. Upstairs we've got 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and a very generous lounge room that connects nicely to this rear-pointed kitchen with granite bench tops and 2-pack cabinetry, and I really love the dining area that sits nicely in this space. But downstairs is a massive area. I like it the most. Come with me, let's take a quick tour. How about this family rumpus room with bar area and heaps of space? I can see a pool table in here with everybody having a great time over the weekend. And have a look in here. We have got a massive ancillary space where it could be set up perfectly for an extended family or a home office if you're looking for this style of property with all the options. Well, there you have it, 12 Ward Street here on the range, close to St. Peter's School, the Mater Hospital, and a short stroll to the Allenstown Shopping Centre. A massive home and plenty of yard for the kids and all the pets to run around. This home won't last long. If the team at McGrath can help you out, give us a call. We'd love to see you calling 12 Ward Street home.